Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. I am super excited because we are going to be unboxing and testing out the products for the January 2019 Boxycharm. Boxycharm is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And then you can also upgrade to the Boxyluxe, which is an additional $29 on top of the $21 you already pay. You get that every 3 months. That box retails over $300 while these boxes retail over $100. But before we jump into the box, I just want to let you know I've already applied primer and foundation. I went in with my Cover FX blurring primer, and then for foundation I've used my Smashbox Studio Skin. Let's jump into the box. Ooh. So January's theme is boxy and chill. That's really cute. And flipped up the foam. Ooh, okay. I see some stuff that I love. I love me some Briogeo. Looks like we got a Tarte palette, and there's some stuff peeking behind. So let's just unbox. So I think for January, we got a nice diverse box. We got some skincare, and we got a hair product, and then we got 3 makeup products. Let's start off with the hair care and skincare. So the first product, I am super pumped to see Tatcha make an appearance in Boxycharm. I am a huge fan of Tatcha. I have not tried these skin masks. These are the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. It's a 2-pack, and these retail for $24, so I'm assuming each mask is $12. These nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. That's super cool. Like I said, I haven't tried these, but I use a bunch of their products and I really like their facial cleansers. I've used the white bottle and then the teal mint bottle as well. Those are really good. The white bottle's for sensitive skin, which I use more daily, and then the mint color bottle is the deep cleanse, and I use that for days that I'm filming because I do put a lot of makeup on my face and I want to make sure that it all gets out before I go to sleep. I don't want to wake up with a breakout. And then same for their creams. I love the water cream. It is one of the most hydrating creams I have ever used. And then they also have like a white jar as well for sensitive skin, which is also really good, which I like to use more in the cold weather. And that one is for drier skin, whereas the water cream is for more combination oily skin. Overall, I'm dry, but my T-zone gets quite oily, and then depending on where I am, my cheeks and my forehead can get super greasy feeling. But long story short, I just went on a tangent about using their cleansers and moisturizers, so to try a new product by them is super exciting. To me, this is a very, prestige skincare brand because the water cream is $68. It's really awesome to see a high prestige skincare brand in this month's Boxycharm. Next we have the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. At first I was like, I think we got this a couple boxes ago. I actually got a product from the Don't Despair Repair line instead. I haven't used many products from the Rosarco line. I tend to go more towards their charcoal line or Don't Despair Repair line because those are very intense moisturizing products because I have really dry, wavy, coarse hair. But this is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray, so I'm really excited to try that. I like to use conditioning sprays after I get out of the shower. I like to spray some in, brush it through, and let my hair dry. I find that my hair is really soft and smooth when I wake up the next morning, so that's just something I really do enjoy. So you get 2 ounces and it retails for $12. This effectively restores your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray, which is infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. So I have high hopes then because I have all of those areas this is targeting. I'm really excited to give this a shot. So it looks like we didn't get any face products, so I'm going to go on ahead and apply some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. vampier shades. I know I'm gonna go through this lipstick quite quick, and Ofra's formula is just so good. I have a bunch of their lipsticks. I've gotten a few from Boxycharm in the past. Now that Ulta carries it, it's become quite the convenience. I'm honestly more excited to try out the skincare and hair care products than the makeup products. Nothing really excited me from a makeup standpoint, and I haven't tried these products before, but I love the brands so much. I'm just excited just to try out more products from some of my favorite brands. The Ofra liquid lipstick was definitely my favorite makeup product that I tried. I'm already a huge fan of Ofra, and the formula is bomb, and I don't think I've tried this shade before, so it's always fun to get a lipstick in a shade that you really like and you know you're gonna get use out of, and this is not gonna last me long. And then the $1 Billion Brows product, I like to try it like how I mentioned earlier, just outlining my brows first with some Cabral and then using this to fill in. The only reason why I didn't like it as much as I did is because I couldn't really draw out my brows with it that well and then fill it in, but it did a good job filling it in. That's just my only thing about this product. And then the Tarte palette was a flop for me just because I really couldn't create a look with it. I would have to dip into some other palettes because this is a prominent shimmer palette, and I tried some shimmers to create one look and it just wasn't working out for me. Now the shimmer formula is really good, it's just I couldn't create a look, and it's nothing against Tarte. I'm a huge fan of Tarte. I love so many of their products. It's just this palette just didn't work out for me. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm, unboxings, first impressions, tutorials, and of course any of the amazing brands that I mentioned. Leave me a comment below if you are subscribed to Boxycharm and what products you got. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.